Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to invite friends to your party in Apex Legends Mobile. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on our friend list on any of these phones, because right here I have both of the Apex Legends installed on different accounts. So right here I pressed on the friend list and I can see my other phone right here. Now I can press this plus button. That way we'll send an invite, and right here on this phone invite just showed up. We can press accept, and that way we'll join the party. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.